I am the lead nurse for the assisted living and memory support. I help manage the memory support floor. Previous to working here, I worked in an emergency room and at the hospital. I've loved the relationships that I build with these residents, and not just knowing them for a few hours before they go home from the emergency room. Each resident is individualized, and we have to base our care off of each of them. We recently had a resident that has unfortunately passed away, and we knew all his little tricks. We knew what he liked, what he didn't like, what we could do for him to make him happy. As he was passing, the family was here most of the time, and they knew that our love was sincere and that we truly cared about him, and they were just very thankful and appreciative of everything we've done for him while he's lived here. As much as you want to leave work at work, you really can't sometimes. These people expect you to be there, and that's what we like to do. We like to be there for them.